My dear friends, today I am going to discuss with you decision rendered by Immigration Advisers Complaints and Disciplinary Proceedings Tribunal on 30th of June 2016 against a former immigration advisor, Daljit Singh, who had already been convicted of election fraud in 2014. The judgment which I am referring has been passed by the Immigration Advisers Complaints and Disciplinary Proceedings Tribunal in Wellington on 30th of June 2016. This complaint was referred to the tribunal by the Registrar of Immigration Advisers Authority on the complaint of Parminder Singh Gill, a temporary visa holder in New Zealand. Parminder Singh Gill had engaged Daljit Singh for filing his work visa from a restaurant belonging to an Indian employer in Papatoetoe. The restaurant was out of Auckland, but the employer is based in Papatoetoe, who is also a Punjabi and very well known to Daljit Singh. So Parminder Singh Gill engaged Daljit Singh in February 2012 for filing his work visa, which was filed by Daljit Singh, and work visa was granted within few days. In July 2012, Mr. Parminder Singh Gill engaged Daljit Singh for filing his expression of interest under skilled migrant category, which would lead to ultimately get PR. So that application was filed by Daljit Singh on behalf of Mr. Parminder Singh Gill, and Parminder Gill says that Daljit Singh charged $15,000 in the Indian bank account, not in New Zealand, and he said that the employer wants that money. So the $15,000 were paid by Parminder Singh Gill's parents in India into the Indian bank account given by the employer. So after that his PR was declined for various reasons, and then Parminder Singh Gill made complaint that Daljit Singh cheated him in connivance with the employer. In the hearing before the tribunal, Daljit Singh was asked to file second affidavit describing details why he did not kept proper records in his client file and other issues which the tribunal sought clarifications about. But he chose not to file another second affidavit and relied on the first affidavit which he had filed. Interestingly, Daljit Singh filed an affidavit of the employer or a statement from the employer in his support. So practically Daljit Singh and the employer came against the complainant Parminder Singh Gill before the tribunal, and the tribunal did not believe either the employer or Daljit Singh, and the tribunal relied on the evidence of Parminder Singh Gill and found that Daljit Singh, even charging $15,000 from the complainant, did not give him any fee receipt, and he did not have any records in his file whether he informed Mr. Parminder Gill, his client, about the updates from the Immigration New Zealand. There were other lapses as found out by the tribunal, and the tribunal also said that Daljit Singh has claimed that he has been serving the Indian community free of cost by filing their visa applications and giving immigration advice free of cost for more than 7 years. The tribunal said it is implausible, means it is impossible. The tribunal cannot accept that he had been doing the service pro bono for 7 years and he did not charge even a single penny from the clients, and if he charged fees, he did not issue any receipt. And then the tribunal also said that while Daljit Singh highlighted the convictions of the client Parminder Gill in some other cases, Daljit Singh did not mention convictions on his character on the election fraud. which he committed in 2010. So the tribunal found that Daljit Singh was not clear and fair to the tribunal for not disclosing the reasons for his suspension and cancellation of his immigration advisor license, and for reasons for the conviction in the election fraud case. So there are so many findings which are very crucial and which are very damaging to the integrity and character of Daljit Singh in this judgment. And finally, the tribunal has said that on the question of imposing sanctions and costs against Daljit Singh, there would be another judgment. 15 days were given to Daljit Singh to respond in respect of whether any sanctions should be imposed on him and whether any cost should be imposed against him. But the judgment is for that cost judgment, it's still awaited. So practically with this judgment, I think the reputation and the integrity of Daljit Singh, which had already been damaged and destroyed with the conviction in the election fraud case, it has suffered another setback. So the Indian community have been very concerned and agitated against the conduct of Daljit Singh, and the media which have mentioned Daljit Singh as a Sikh community leader, this statement has also been spoken against by the Indian community and particularly Sikh community. The Sikh community says Daljit Singh was never a Sikh community leader, nor he is a Sikh community leader, and he can never be a Sikh community leader because he has been actively involved in frauds and misconduct with his clients. So practically Daljit Singh is a person with a tarnished image, with different convictions and different orders against him on fraud and misconduct in terms of immigration advisor. And I would like to highlight one more thing, that the Supreme Sikh Society, which granted him that license as immigration advisor as a volunteer, its image has also been damaged very badly. So the members of Supreme Sikh Society, whom Mr. Daljit Singh referred in his affidavit, that the members should also think whether the reputation and image of their society has been damaged by the conduct of Daljit Singh, and if they think that it is, then they should immediately take necessary steps for damage control. And I believe that every Sikh and particularly Indian who believes in honesty and integrity and character building, they would denounce in strongest word the conduct of Daljit Singh in the election fraud case, as well as for cheating his client Parminder Gill. So I believe the Indian community and Sikh community will come up strongly against New Zealand media for writing Daljit Singh as a Sikh community leader, and also strongly speak against Supreme Sikh Society's intentions of still making Daljit Singh a hero. If Daljit Singh is considered a hero, the image and reputation of Sikhs and Indians in the eyes of local Kiwis, that will suffer huge setback, which I can't tolerate, which New Zealanders can't tolerate. So it is very important that every Indian who believes in honesty and integrity must denounce and speak up against the conduct of Daljit Singh, and he should not be at all accepted as a community leader, because his actions are not only against the community, it is against the country, it is against the law of the country, and we need to protect, as all citizens of this country, we need to protect the law, and whosoever commits a breach of the law, he must face the consequences like Daljit Singh has faced in this particular case. The media has highlighted this judgment, and it is talk of the town that Daljit Singh conduct cannot be condoned at all, and he should be held accountable, and he should not be accepted at all a member of the community, because his conduct is totally against the interest of the community. So with these words, I would thank you for watching this video. I will come up with few more videos in the near future, and if you feel that my statements and my comments about this judgment and Daljit Singh are appropriate, feel free to forward this and share this video with your friends.